France visa rejection. Just thinking about it, it gives us shivers, right? We've all been there. Expats, immigrants, adventurers, however you identify yourself, this feels like our dreams could just hit a brick wall. This almost happened to me a few years back with Brazil, and I now happily live there. So there is still hope for you. In this video, we'll unpack all the strategies you need to turn that visa denial around and get back on track to your French adventure. Bonjour, I'm Giga from the blog Expat in France. I help English-speaking expats to move to France and navigate French culture and bureaucracy to build their new French life on their own terms. Before I get into the nitty-gritty of visa denial, if you want to submit the best visa application file possible from the start, the Dream to Reality course will help you just do that for 5 sponsor-free long-stay visas. More information on this course via the link under this video. So let's dive in. Imagine this. You've been envisioning yourself in France and you've done all the paperwork, and then out of nowhere, your visa application is denied. Ouch, right? But here is the thing. A denied visa doesn't mean the end of your journey. I'm here to provide you with a roadmap of what to do next. Your visa application was denied and now you're probably wondering, what went wrong? First, you should know that in 2023, France refused about 20% of visa requests. That's a lot, and quite a few could have been avoided. There are a few common reasons that might have led to this denial. It could be related to your past criminal record, a flagged entry refusal in the Schengen information system. This suggests the security concerns. Or perhaps there is an issue with your travel document, raising doubts about its authenticity. Then you are not requesting the correct visa for your situation, or your documents are not aligning with the purpose of your visit. For example, claiming to be a tourist but providing documents for a family visit. And be cautious of fake supporting documents. They will definitely raise a red flag. Don't forget the financial aspect too. Your financial situation needs to match your plans. Also, if you've been frequently traveling in the Schengen area for over 3 months, there might be a waiting period before applying for another short stay visa. You might want to watch the video up there about the rule for entering Europe for stays under 90 days. However, if you're requesting any of the long-stay visas, the 90-day Schengen rule is waived for your first entry. Another very common reason is that a document requested for the type of visa you want is missing. For example, valid health insurance meeting all the requirements is a must for a long-stay visitor visa. Now, let's move on to the actionable steps that you want to take if you find yourself facing a visa denial. Number 1, you could file an appeal. Take a deep breath. A denied visa isn't the end of the road, as I said before. Appeals can be your lifeline in turning things around. You've got 2 main routes to choose from. First, an appeal to the French consular authorities, and second, an appeal to the Commission de recours contre les décisions de refus de visa d'entrée en France. So first, this is appealing at the consulate. Imagine this, that you're reaching out to the consulate directly. You've got a 2-month window from the date of your denial to make your appeal. Think of it as sending a formal "let's discuss" letter. Make sure that you provide all the reasons and documents to support your case. If they still decline, don't worry, there is more that you can do. Then number 2, there is also the appeal commission. This is a step up in the visa game. Remember, you still need to adhere to the 2 months time frame. And if the idea of navigating this process alone is intimidating, an immigration lawyer is your best shot. They are well versed in the process and can give you the edge that you need. Then your second option can be to submit a brand new visa request. It might seem surprising, but a fresh approach can sometimes make all the difference. Ensure that you correct any error and adjust your application based on your newfound knowledge. Just be aware that having the same consulate grant you a visa for the same application after a denial is quite a challenge, so working on a brand new and improved application file is essential. The Dream to Reality course can help you do that for the 5 sponsor-free visas. Then number 3, legal action. If you're ready to take a step further, legal action is on the table. Yes, you can challenge the visa denial by going to the Administrative Court of Nantes. It's like presenting your case to a judge. The timeline here is a bit more relaxed, usually 2 months after the Commission's decision. This process is a bit more intense, but sometimes you've got to take the plunge. Here you have it, your options to overcome France visa denials. Remember, a denied visa doesn't write the final chapter of your journey. It's just a plot twist. Whether you're navigating administrative channels or taking the legal route, having an immigration lawyer by your side is highly recommended. Keep your spirits up, stay optimistic, and keep striving for that chapter of French adventure in your life story. Well, that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insightful content. Until then, you might be interested in this other video right here. See you there. Thank you for watching until the end. Merci et à bientôt!